this video has been produced to show you how to use Show My Homework effectively. It's both for parents and for students, just to talk you through the different pages and the things that you can view as part of Show My Homework and how you can use it. So on your first page, when you log in, your to-do list will come up, and there are two tabs in the to-do list. One is for issued work and one is for completed work. So your issued work is the work that you haven't yet done, and your completed work is the work that you have ticked as completed. So on your front page where you've got your issued work, each piece of work has a small box in the corner. If you click on that box, it will tick and it will automatically disappear off your to-do list, and it will appear in your completed list of work. If you accidentally click on a piece of work to say that it has been completed and you haven't actually completed it, you can just re-click on that and it will disappear from the completed list and it will appear back in your issued work. If you click on a particular piece of work, it will take you then to the description of that piece. So it will tell you what the task description is. Within the task description, it will tell you the different documents and things that you need to access, or the different platforms that you need to use. And down at the bottom, it will give you other information about how long that particular piece of homework should take you and how your teacher would like that submitted. Now, the majority of homework now is going to be submitted through Show My Homework, so you will see that the teacher would like to hand this homework online via Show My Homework. And if that box has been ticked by your teacher, then you will have an additional tab at the top of this page that will have the Submit button. When you log on to look at the description now, in the title, your teachers are going to put a date that homework is actually due to be completed. So that will be the date of the lesson. So you'll see here that this is a piece of homework that I've set, and it is to be completed on the 4th of May. And it's also due on the 4th of May, and you need to submit it via Show My Homework. The additional documents that have been uploaded for this particular piece of work are down at the bottom. So here there's a PowerPoint to support that learning, and you would click on the download and that would open that PowerPoint up for you. So assuming that you have done that piece of work, your teacher would then be able to mark your piece of work, and any notifications about the piece of work and the grading would appear here on the results page. If you need to submit work to your teacher, you click on the Submit tab and you could send a message to explain what you've been doing in the piece of work, or you could send a message to say about any difficulties that you've had. And down at the bottom of this page, you have the option to then add any attachments. So the majority of the attachments that you will have will either be a document like a Word document, or it may be a photograph of the work that you've completed to show your teacher. So you would click on Add Attachments and you go to your computer, and then you find the relevant document that you want to upload, double click on it, and then that will drop into your attachments. And then as you go through, when it appears in this drop box, you will then have the option to submit your assignment to your teacher. Okay, other useful pages on Show My Homework are your calendar, because that will plot and plan through which work has to be done at which point on which day, and it will show you when the work has been set, and it will also give you a completion date. So you can see across a piece of work from when it's set and it starts to when the submission date is, and then each week you can look at it at a glance and you can see what you've got coming up. You can equally go and look on your grade book, and particularly as a parent, this would probably be useful. You want to see how your child's getting on and what work they are submitting and what grades they're getting. You click on the grade book, and then as each piece, as the deadline passes, you can see whether your child submitted the work. That will come up in the status here, and you can see what grade.